How to download and install YouTube app on phone. So if you want to download and install YouTube app on your phone, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, in many devices you may have your YouTube app already installed. It might be your default application. So you can just simply go with your search apps section, and from here you can search for YouTube and you may find your YouTube application. But if you don't find your YouTube on your applications, then you just need simply go with your Play Store if you're using your Android, or if you're using your iOS device, you can go with your App Store. Go with your search, which is on the bottom right, which has that magnifying icon, and go with the search bar, which is on the top. Search for YouTube. After searching, here you will have the YouTube application. So if you want to install or download this application, you will have install option, or in iOS devices you will have get option. You just need simply tap on get or install and it will start the installing process. It might take a few minutes or a few seconds to download the application depending on your network or your Wi-Fi connection, and it will download. After that, you will have open option. You need to tap on open and then sign up to your account or sign into your account, and you'll be good to go. Now if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.